Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Oura Ring 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura Ring app and then make sure that it has been paired to the ring. So the ring has been paired to the app and they are both connected. And after that, we're going to go to the Today section in the app and then press on this little icon on the top right. This is the ring settings. And then we're going to scroll down a little until we find factory reset. So we're going to press on that. And then if you want to confirm it, press OK. And then we're going to wait for the ring to reset. So there we go. Once the reset has been completed, it's going to ask you to connect your ring again. We're going to do that now. So we're going to click on Set Up Ring and select your ring. But before you do that, make sure that you go into Bluetooth and you remove the ring from your Bluetooth connections. So I'm in the Bluetooth settings and I'm going to find my Oura Ring. So there it is, Oura something. It's going to look similar to that. It should have Oura in the name. I'm going to press on this information icon and press on Forget Device. And now we can come back to the app and then we're going to look for the ring again. Once it's found, we can press on it to connect and just wait for it to connect. Press on pair so it can be paired to Bluetooth again. Now we're going to wait. So there we go. It's been connected and now it's going to ask you to find the best signal. I'm going to skip that option, so I'm just not going to do the option right now. I'm going to press check signal and it's going to fail. We're just going to press skip this step. That's also an option. And it appears that it has just connected me to the ring. I'm going to press skip this section anyways. So now we are back in the app and you can use your ring again and it has been factory reset. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps and make sure to like and subscribe.